How to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. In this tutorial, I'll show you the correct way to do it. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Bitmoji. If you don't see an option to change your Bitmoji's gender, you'll need to remove your current Bitmoji first. Tap Remove My Bitmoji, then confirm your choice. Now, go back to your profile and tap Avatar. Choose your preferred Bitmoji gender and follow the on-screen steps to customize your new avatar. When you're finished, tap Save. Keep in mind that changing your Bitmoji's gender requires creating a new avatar, so your previous avatar's appearance and some limited-time customization items may be lost. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Bitmoji's gender on Snapchat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Snapchat tips and tutorials.